army of elves soothes that they reveal. They came after me with masterful deceit, broke down my loot.
In the time before the night, in flames of dance, eternal rain, we ride towards the fight. When the darkness is falling down, and the times are tough for rise, the sound of evil laughter falls around the world tonight. Fighting hard, fighting on for the steel, from the wastelands evermore. The scared souls will feel the hell that's wasted on the shore. On the blackest flames in hell's the rain, we watch the lands they go. In the fire of pain, and once again we go. Tonight we fly, yeah, we're free. We're free to fall from the storm. Arms towards the wilderness, we're scaring storm. Far beyond the sundown, far beyond the moonlight. Deep inside our hearts and all our souls. So far away, we wait for the day, yeah. For the night is so wasted and gone. We feel the pain of a lifetime lost in 1,000 days. Through the fire and the flames we carry